Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we are in the backyard and I'm going to show you how I prepped the area before we started making the chicken coop. Do you want to see what we did? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, today I'm going to be showing you how we kind of just got the area ready. We took out all the grass and weeds, cultivated the area, put a little bit of sod. So I just wanted to show you how we prepped the area first, and then in the second video, you will see how we put the whole chicken coop together and built the enclosure and all of that. So this is how we got it prepped and ready. Okay, so walking out of the house, there's this two grass areas. Well, it's not really grass. That's what was here when we bought the house years and years ago. We still haven't. That's like the last thing we're going to do. So we're going to start on it now. I will be replacing all the grass in here. The coop will be going right about there. So that's where we plan on putting it. So now I'm going to go ahead and just take out all of that grass, weeds, all of this stuff just to kind of cultivate this area. Okay guys, so I kind of wanted to now show you, I did a lot more yesterday. So let me kind of go over what I did. Okay, so here is the complete area. Sunday is when I did that area over there that you guys saw on film. Yesterday was Monday. The coop was supposed to be delivered and it wasn't. So I went ahead and came out here and I started doing more. I didn't think I was going to do it, so I didn't record it. I'm sorry. But I did. I started just doing this little area here, and then I went up to here. And then on Sunday, I kind of pushed a lot of the sand on top of this area here. I was just focusing on where the coop was gonna go. I wanted to do the whole area because I need to anyway. I'm gonna put new sod and stuff down on the areas that are not gonna be in the coop. So I pushed all the sand then over here, made a little mound here, and then I did the strip that I was missing. It got too dark and I had to stop, but now all I have to do is just this area here. So I thought I would show you up close how I was doing it, since before it was sped up so fast you might have questions. So let me go ahead and set up and I'll just finish this little area here. This bag full of weeds and roots and everything was from Sunday. All of that is from yesterday. I'm gonna bag that up too. So yeah, let's get to work. Vienna, get out of the dirt. Baby, get out of the dirt. Keep going. Thank you. Okay, so this is the thing that my man was telling me to do, but hitting it, to me, it wasn't really like breaking it up, where this going in and turning, everything turning it, to me was breaking it up more. So I chose to only use this. He said, I'm working harder, not smarter, but I think that's better. So I'm using that. I just rock back and forth. Next one. And that's just what I did. Gonna go through section at a time, pulling everything out. Getting all the roots. So again, this is basically how I did this entire area, so I can make sure that all the grass, roots, everything that I don't want in the coop are done and out, and then we have a nice area for the new grass. It was at this point when this whole entire area was ready when my man suggested that we build a bigger area for the girls. So design has changed, plan has changed, and now we're just going to build a big enclosed area and put their coop inside that. Okay, so last night I knew it was going to start raining, so I didn't want to start recording and have my phone get wet. But I did kind of flatten out, well, level out that area. I need to continue leveling out this area so we can get it prepped and ready. So that's what I'm going to do today. I did take out several wheelbarrows full of sand and just leveled it in the front yard just to get it out of this area. And now this is how it looks, and now it's ready for sod. I went to Home Depot, got some topsoil. I lay that down first. Okay, so now that I had that done, I ran back to Lowe's, grabbed a little bit more topsoil, and then I grabbed the sod so I can start laying down the sod to complete this area. And there is the final result. We had like a nice little downpour for like the last hour, and I just let her out, so I think she's going to be using this for the first time, but I think it came out really nice. It looks amazing. And yep, there you go. First pea. And of course she chose the brand new area and not what she's used to, because this is like grass and weeds, which eventually that will be the next thing to tackle on a whole nother day, a whole nother project is to go through that. That's actually literally the last part of the ground that we have not touched in the backyard. So there we have it. First pea of the day. And that is how it looks, and I cannot wait to now start building the area for the coop. And then here is the before and after picture. I think it looks so much better. And now the next video will be the coop process. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.